Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily fix YouTube picture-in-picture mode not working on iPhone and iPad. Picture-in-picture mode, aka PiP mode, is a pretty handy feature that lets you keep videos playing in a floating window while using other apps. However, if PiP mode suddenly stops working on your device, it can interrupt your whole multitasking experience. Thankfully, there are some pretty helpful solutions that can help you get the better of this annoying problem and restore the full functionality of the PiP mode. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to choose the general option. After that, you have to choose picture in picture mode option. Then you have to disable the toggle located right next to start PiP automatically. After that, you have to restart your device. And once your device has successfully rebooted, you have to re-enable this very toggle. After that, you have to open YouTube and then hit the profile tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to hit the settings icon located at the upper right. Then you have to head over to video and audio preferences section and choose the playback option. Then you have to ensure that the toggle for picture in picture mode is enabled. Then you have to play a YouTube video as usual. And once the video has started playing, swipe up to exit YouTube app. Now your video will continue to play in a mini player on top of other apps. However, if the problem still persists, try updating the YouTube app as there is a high chance that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the PiP mode from functioning properly. Just navigate to the App Store, then search for YouTube and hit the update button located right next to it in order to update the app, and that's about it. Fixing the picture-in-picture mode issue on YouTube doesn't take much time once you know where to look. By checking settings, updating your app, and ensuring compatibility, you can quickly restore this useful feature. With PiP working properly again, you'll be able to multitask effortlessly and enjoy a seamless viewing experience on your iPhone or iPad. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful methods, make the most of it to ensure that the PiP mode always works perfectly on your device. And I'll catch you up in the next one.